Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, we are going to be doing a kitchen speed clean with me. I had just finished making a massive breakfast, and of course there was a huge mess left over, so follow along to get some cleaning motivation to get your kitchen clean as well. I don't know about you, but when I cook, I make a massive mess. I always try to clean up as I go, but because I want everything to be served when it's hot, I tend to go very quickly. I don't put things away, and it just is a catastrophe. Step one is definitely to load up the dishwasher and just get everything cleared away so that I can have a clear workspace and I can wash the backsplash and I can kind of start putting things away and start trying to make some progress in the mountain of mess. Once the dishwasher is going, I am going to clean out my sink. That is definitely my next step. I want to work from a clean, disinfected sink. I'm washing out the pump parts to my pump as well as my bottles and kind of like all of that stuff. This little drying rack that you see in the back is amazing. It is so easy to just put the baby bottle parts on and let them drain away. I will actually link that down below. Love this thing. I might be a little bit weird actually because I always clean my kitchen twice. So first I wipe it down with soapy, like hot and soapy water, and then I spray it down with a cleaning product just to make sure that all of the grease and grime is cleared away, and then I disinfect it. Now that the surfaces are for the most part clean, I am trying to organize just a little bit where I keep my cookbooks and my like beans and rice and those types of things. To be honest, this really could use a deep clean and a new organizational system, but on this particular day I was doing a speed clean and I just did not have time for that. Of course, it would not be a speed clean with me if I don't have to stop in the middle and feed the baby. Right, nursing session is over, and now I use a glass cleaner actually to get rid of all of the streaks on the oven, the microwave, the backsplash, the stove top, the cupboards, pretty much everything. I cannot stand the streaks. I'm a little bit OCD on that. And I am cleaning off the dish soap and the hand soap bottles as well. These bottles are so cute. I'm also going to link those down below. And of course, I have to run the vacuum and use my beloved Dyson to get up all the mess. Now, as you can see, it is not like the deepest of cleans. It's a speed clean, but I really wanted to just show you how I clean the kitchen on a regular kind of weekend when we've had a big meal. It's pretty messy, and this is the end result. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you got some motivation to clean your kitchen as well. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified when I post new videos. See you next time. Bye.